Welcome to Kenya Shipyard Limited, where we take you behind the scenes of the maintenance and servicing of the MV Fagio 2 at Mombasa Shipyard, managed by the Kenya Ports Authority. Our team of dedicated experts embodies excellence, ensuring the MV Fagio 2 stands as a testament to unwavering commitment in maritime safety and environmental protection. General maintenance, an essential facet of our mission, is seamlessly integrated into our overarching goal of preserving the integrity of our seas. The symphony of ship maintenance crescendos with the artistry of deck plate welding, orchestrated by our skilled welders, their tireless efforts to repair and reinforce the vessel's structural foundation. The fabrication of a robust bulwark showcases our team's ingenuity in enhancing both capability and safety. Simultaneously, our technical team meticulously navigates through comprehensive inspection and fault-finding exercises, leaving no machinery or equipment unexamined. The dedication ensures that every cog in the vessel's machinery aligns with the precision demanded by the high seas. The choreography of preserving the vessel's aesthetic grandeur unfolds with the state-of-the-art sandblasting techniques. Old coatings, rust, and contaminants are expertly removed, setting the canvas of the vessel's rejuvenation. A fresh coat of marine-grade paint is then applied with meticulous care, elevating not only its visual appeal, but also fortifying it against the relentless onslaught of marine elements. In tandem with our pursuit of individual vessels' excellence, Kenya Shipyards Limited proudly stands at the forefront of the shipbuilding renaissance in Eastern Africa. Our strategic focus remains unwavering, directed towards meeting the demands of the Kenya Navy, various MDAs with maritime assets, and a diverse spectrum of public and private, domestic and regional clients. As we lead the charge in maritime innovation, our legacy is etched in the waters we navigate and the vessels we meticulously craft and maintain. Welcome to a realm where maritime mastery meets a commitment to shaping the future of Eastern African maritime landscape.